Hey guys, good morning. What's going on? This is Yaela at Cowboy Toyota. I was looking around and it's the last week of the month. We have such a great variety of cars today. And one thing caught my eyes is this one. The Tacoma 4x4. It's sturdy off-road. Octane color, very unique. I said to myself, I have to sell this one today. Really unique. You don't see very many in this color. And we have a lot of Tacomas here. All kind of trim levels. 4x2, 4x4, but this one is really unique. So if you're looking for a Tacoma off-road 4x4, octane color, this is the right time, right place. It's the last week of the month. We have a great variety, different colors, different trim levels. All you need is just to contact with me, even text me, shoot me an SMS, and I'll be ready for you with the car. We have also the Sienna here. We have a silver one. This one is XSC, which is very rare to have on the lot of Sienna, and they are available. So we have the XSC hybrid. And then we also have this Sienna, the Woodland, trim level all-wheel drive, XLE hybrid. All of them are hybrid. Is black on black. Okay. Of course, we have also 4Runners. We have a Prius here on the lot. Let me show you. We have a nice Prius here. All of them are with different colors. Look, they are available, guys. The last week of the month. This is Prius Prime. There's a sunroof. Hey guys, call me back, okay? Call me back, 972-900-4725. Yaela with Cowboy Toyota.